Hello everybody and welcome back to Cooking with Maryann. Today we are going to make an amazing warm chip dip with maple sausage. It is really good. I got the idea from the manicotti video, so it's similar to that, not quite the same. So, what you're going to need is 1 pound of maple sausage, we're just going to brown this up. Okay, here we go. Alright, this sausage is almost done, but we're going to add about a cup of sliced onion. Mix that in pretty good. Ooh, baby, we cooking now! This is gonna be amazing. Amazing! Okay, I'm gonna try and get some of these bigger pieces in more manageable sizes. Now we mix. Next, we're gonna add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Just gonna break that up a little bit. And now we wait some more. This is like ghost hunting, right? People think it's just like so fast and easy. Woo! But you have a lot of waiting. It's like fishing. Lots of downtime. Unless you're at a trout farm. Which is also cheating. These are my thoughts. Alright. I'm going to add probably a cup and a half of milk, whole milk. You can add cream if you'd like. I just use whole milk because I don't need it that extra fatty, but you can if you would like it thicker. In fact, that's only a cup, and that seems like it's probably okay, so maybe I'll stick with a cup for right now. Now that we're getting some steam back in here, let's add our fresh spinach. It's going to look like a lot. It's going to melt down. It's going to wilt down quite a lot. This is 5 ounces. There we go. Now it's getting down there a little bit. We're almost done, folks. This is actually very easy to do. It's not complicated at all, but it's going to taste like $1,000,000, and you're going to be glad you did it. It's getting a lot thicker already. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat to a medium. We can turn it down a bit. And we're going to add in some Parmesan cheese. I've got about a little over half a cup of this. I'm going to dump the whole thing in. Because I can. Because who doesn't like cheese? That smells so good. Doesn't that smell good? Oh, you can't smell that. Make it and you can smell it. And then tell me how you liked it. Whoa. Yummy. Okay. That's amazing. Amazing! Gooey goodness. All right. Let's try this out. Oh my goodness, that is a thing of beauty. You could probably do this all in a crock pot too. I haven't tried it, but it probably would stay really nice in a crock pot, or cook it and just keep it warm. Yeah, let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's see how much I burned my face off. That's addicting. You guys, and it's so simple to make. Go ahead and make this yourself. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you loved it. Tell me how everyone loved it, and let me know if there's any tweaks you made. And we will see you later. Take care.